Stop wasting your time. Forget about meme coins. The amount of emails I get and DMs I get of like people asking me my opinions on meme coins or if I trade meme coins, bro, it's actually crazy. You're just wasting your time. I'm making a dedicated video to tell you guys to stop trading. That's how much like I care about this shit. Stop wasting your time on meme coins. This is like the new cash grab. Every 6 months there's a new cash grab. Before it was NFTs, then it was something else, now something else, and now the new cash grab is fucking meme coins, guys. Invest in meme coins. What are you doing, bro? What the fuck are you doing? Stop wasting your time. This is not gonna end well. In fact, for some of you, it's already ended pretty badly. Stop wasting your fucking time. I'm gonna tell you what to do instead. I'll tell you what I do instead, what my community does instead, what my friends do instead, how we make money. We do not trade meme coins. I'm gonna tell you exactly what we do instead. Let's get into it. This is look at this. This is a fucking meme coin. This is a pump and dump. You get pumped over here, everybody buys over here, and then boom, it's too late. It's too fucking late. All the insiders that started buying all the way over here, they're cashing out. They're laughing to the bank, and you're crying because now you're in debt. You want to be taking trades like these, bro, where you get in early, not all the way over here, not all the way this wick. You get it over here, and you sell. Let's explain that. The first thing is you need to understand that you will lose. Think about this for a second. Do you know a single person in real life who makes, not 2 months ago, not 3 years ago on Dogecoin, who makes money trading this BS? Do you know a single person in real life? Okay, my buddy Jackson, he give me name at least 5 people. Because I know dozens of people in real life who make money trading stocks. I don't know a single person who makes money in real life with this piece of shit. Obviously, all of these YouTubers who are trying to sell their fucking $5,000 coaching program are gonna be like, yeah, bro, meme coins work. Meme coins? The fuck? Imagine going to a dinner table with your family or with your friends, and it's like, hey, Max, haven't seen you in 2 years. What are you up to nowadays? Oh yeah, Dad, I trade meme coins. What? Meme coins? The fuck is this shit, right? Couple of reasons why this sucks. Let's be objective here, okay? The first thing is it's impossible to backtest. You can't backtest this. You literally can't. How do you backtest this? It's impossible to backtest. Second thing is the insiders have bought weeks ago, maybe months, maybe days, maybe whatever. They have bought a long time ago. They bought before you. You're buying like the fucking tip of the fucking iceberg. This is where you're buying, bro. This is where you're buying. They've bought all the way over here, and they've sold all the way over here, and they've sold their Bitcoin or meme coin to you. Like this is a lose-lose game. No matter how you look at it, what angle you spin on it, you're going to lose. You will lose. Stop doing this shit. So let's get into solutions. What can we actually do instead to make money consistently? Consistently, because it doesn't matter if you made it 2 years ago. You need to consistently make money. If you want to quit your job, whatever, you need to consistently make money. Let's go through that strategy. Let's go through what I do, what everybody does that I know, how they make money. Let's go through it. Before that, quick heads up, I have my free trading bundle. This explains the strategy. It has a free course, it has ebooks, it has a fucking trade tracker Notion template. It's completely free. I'm not asking you for anything. Click the first thing in the description, go check it out. Now, what do we do? This is what you do instead. The first thing you need to see is high risk, high reward. The perfect strategy should have high risk, high reward. The fucking problem with meme coins is it's 0 reward, 1,000,000 risk. So you're risking all of your money to make no money. You probably have better chances hitting the fucking lottery at that point. You need to have high risk to reward. That's what you need to have. High risk to reward. Second thing is you need to be getting in first. You need to be quote unquote the insider. You can't be the person who's buying at the literal top of the top. You can't be that guy. You need to be buying in first, or at least cheap. This is the perfect strategy. Third thing is you need to actually be able to backtest this. You need to be able to backtest this. You cannot do a strategy if it hasn't been backtested. So with this strategy, you should be able to backtest it, confirm that it works, and then apply it. And the last thing is it should be repeatable. You should be able to do this every day, every week, every month. You should be able to do this. Problem with meme coins or Bitcoin or crypto is that you have to wait 3 fucking years until the bull market returns, and that's where you make money. And then for another 3 years, absolutely nothing happens and you lose all your money. It's horrible. I don't understand why so many people are so obsessed with crypto. I don't know many people who consistently make money with crypto. I know 0 people who make money with meme coins. But it's like, you need to have it repeatable so you make money day over day, week over week, month over month. Not just one big jackpot and then for 5 years you have to eat breadcrumbs. You can't be doing that shit, right? So let's go to the steps. What are the steps that I use? What's my strategy? What's the steps of my strategy? The first thing is you need to find high volume, volatile stocks every single day. And that's key. It needs to be every single day. Because if you do this like once a week or once a month, it's not going to work. Second thing is to choose the best one. Once you have the list of maybe 10 or 15 or 20, you want to choose the one, the best one that you think is going to go up, right? And the third thing is to buy at a cheap price early, right? Not at the fucking top, early. And the last step is to sell and repeat this shit every single day. That's the step. Look how simple that is. Is that simplified it for you enough? Right? It's not like, go to Twitter, whatever the meme coin of the day is, let's buy it. No. Relax. Let's go through the steps in detail, right? Step number 1, like I said, is to find stocks with high volume. The easiest way to do this, bro, is to look at a gap scanner. This is a gap scanner right over here. You can see the symbol over here. You can see the gap over here. That's it. That's all you fucking need. And this happens every single day. You can get a gap scanner every single day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can find it every single day. This right over here shows, this 126.77, it shows how high the stock is gapping. Now, a gap is simply when a stock closes at a low price, let's say at $1 on Monday, and on Tuesday it opens up at $2, right? So why did it open up at $2? Because something happened overnight. Overnight, there was news or whatever. And because of that, the stock went up overnight, and it opened at $2. This is what this scanner is showing. It's showing every single stock that is going above the closing price overnight. This is what this shows. Now you can search up on YouTube gap scanner, live stream, whatever. You can find something like this. It's super simple, right? Once you found this, that's all you really need. You just need this. Honestly, you don't even need this extra volume information. If you just have the symbol and the gap percentage, you're more than good to go. That's it. Now step number 2 is to choose. Now once you have this list, the next thing is to choose one of them that you think is the best one, the one that you think is going to go up when market eventually opens. Now I tell you which stocks I'm trading every day in the community. So if you're in the community, you know I tell you the 1, 2, or 3 that I think are going to go up, right? So you don't have to fucking go through 50 different stocks and guess, I don't know which one. So let's look at these like stock charts pre-market and tell me which one you think is going to go up. So when market eventually opens, which one do you think will go up? This one. It's this one right up, and it's the one in the middle. This one didn't go up, it went down. This one went down as well. This one in the middle ended up going up. So now that we know that, what does this have in particular that these don't have? The first thing it has is a decent amount of volume. Look at the amount of volume. When the stock is going up, look how much volume there is when it's going up. This is like amazing to see. Like look at this. Volume goes up and then it kind of just dies down a little bit. Volume goes up, dies down. Here, it goes up, and look how much it goes up. As soon as the stock goes up, it goes up. This means people are desperately trying to get into this stock. You see what I mean? That's the first thing we see. Second thing we see is a big drawdown. What you see over here is there's no drawdown. Like the stock opens and goes up, and it almost opens at all-time highs. We do not want this, right? This one as well, it kind of draws down, but it's kind of like straight. Like it's just going sideways. We don't want that. This one, you can see it goes up, has a nice, obvious drawdown. This is what we love to see. So now we know, okay, this is the one that we're going to trade. Next thing, subscribe and like. I'm giving you a shit ton of sauce over here. If you found this helpful, subscribe and like. It takes literally 2 fucking seconds. Thanks. Now, step number 3 is to enter. We've identified the stock. We found our list. Now we're going to enter. Now, this is the exact, it's like a screenshot of when I entered the stock. You can see that it was drawing down, which is the first requirement. You can see that there was a shit ton of volume, which is the second requirement. And you can see that there was a bunch of support. Third requirement, and that's why I entered. Now, a couple of things to look at. I don't like to enter when a stock opens and eventually, immediately just goes up. I don't like to enter on those. I like to wait for a drawdown, right? Usually 2%, 3%, 5%, something like that. And I like to see a bunch of volume coming in as well. You can see that there is a shit ton of volume here compared to the previous candles. So those 2 things are already making me more confident. And the third thing is I like to find a support level. I noticed whenever the price would be near $1.15, it will continue getting bought up. So if it will be, let's say $1.20, it will be then $1.18, 17, 15. As soon as it would touch 15, it would instantly go back up, which means there's somebody buying at $1.15. They're buying a lot of shares, which is why the price instantly goes up. It touches it, bounces off of it, touches it, bounces off of it. So we know $1.15 is going to be the support range. That's why I enter. And you can see that the pre-market high goal is the goal. So this right over here is my goal. That's going to be my take profit that I'm going to be aiming for. Step number 4 is to take profit. You can see that this ended up hitting the pre-market high, and that's where I sold. This stock over here, bought over here, ended up hitting the pre-market high, and that's exactly where I sold. I made 45% from this one trade. And as soon as it hit the pre-market high right over here, I sold. Now imagine you just do one of these a week. Just one. I'm not asking for 15 a day or 15 a week. I'm just asking for one of these a week. Just one a week, right? And let's say you have $1,000. You save up $1,000, whatever. You invest in it. You'd have one of these 45% trades a week. Just one. You have 5 trading days to make one of these trades. And almost every single day you have an opportunity like this. So just one of these a week. The first week you'll have 1,000 because that's what you start with. By the end of the first week you'll have 1,450, right? You made 45%. The next week you put 1,450 in and you end up getting 2,102. The next week is 3,000, 4,000. So you end the month off 4 weeks later, you're with $4,420. You just like quadruple your fucking money with one of these a week. Now imagine you have one of these a day, or 2 of these a week, or 3 of these a week, right? Or imagine you have one trade where instead of going up 45%, it goes up 80% or 100%. Well, you can see that this $4,000 will be quite a bit higher. This is the power of this strategy. None of this BS meme coins where you enter at the tippity top, you lose 90% of your money. This actually has logic to it. This isn't gambling. There's something about this which makes sense. We're finding volatile stocks. We're finding the one that we think is going to go up. We wait for a cheap price when it draws down, and then we enter and we take profit. And we compound our gains week after week. And this is the exact same method that I use in my community. So if you guys are still not in there, you guys should really come in here because you guys can see that we get some fucking crazy wins. This guy made 1,198. This guy made 628. This guy made 300. This guy made $23. People are making a shit ton of money inside. When you join, you get access to my watch list. So I literally tell you guys. I can't do anything more than this. I literally tell you the stocks I'm going to be trading. Hey guys, these are the stocks I'm going to be trading. I literally tell you. Like, I can't do anything more for you. This is the most I can give you. You also get access to my trade reviews. So every single time I make a trade, you can see all of my trades over here. Every time I make a trade, I literally make a video going through step by step why I entered the trade, what I could have done better, how much money I made, blah, blah, blah. I literally tell you guys everything, all the trades that I make. And as a bonus, when you enter, you also get a free beginner's course and you also get direct access to me on the DMs. So email me at thedracoroom@gmail.com right now to join the community because I'm closing the group soon to just focus on the members inside. So if you guys want to get in before the group closes, make sure to email me at the email. Now don't forget, if you want to watch a video on the one day trading strategy to rule them all, click the video that just popped up. It goes over the strategy in a lot more detail. It goes over everything you need to know about it. I show another trade example. It's a very good video. Go watch that. And again, if you're serious and you actually want to make a lot of money with this, join the community. Email me right now at this email and I'll see you guys inside. Peace.